I love this age grade, but the problem, you did not come in a cultural way. Yes, you did not come in a cultural way. Please, by December, you will come in a cultural way. Because we are here today, we carnival. We are here. Pre-carnival.
As we know before.
It's pre-carnival. You must come pre-cultural. By December, you will come in a cultural and traditional. Is it not true? I am a patron of stainless edge grade. I am a patron of Otuwama edge grade. You know, Abaduna, you know what this means? Yes. Today, when you get somebody I feel more than I say, when you get somebody I will you feel more than so very